viewers, today we are going to learn about conversion of unit in solids to liquids, the smaller to bigger, and we are doing the work with the 3D. I have a square, and if I make it a 3D, and it will be a cube, and there are 6 squares in a cube involved there. And if this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter and the height is 1 centimeter, then I take the cube of this. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to, if I pour the water of the exact this amount, we get it 1 milliliter water in it. So this will the base of your formula, and we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If I make a bigger cube of 1 meter measurement, then how much water it contain? We take the cube on the both side of this measurement. Then I get 1 cubic meter is equal to 3 times 100 centimeter. 3 times mean 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, we take its cube, not multiply the 3 with 100. So these are the 1 million cubic centimeter. So this one is your main 2 things which you need in your questions. Number 1, if I write here cubic meter is greater than liter is greater than cubic centimeter and milliliter. If I change, remember this, if I want to change cubic meter into liter, then I just multiply it with 1000. And if I want to liter change into cubic centimeter, I write the cubic centimeter and milliliter on the same place, because 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. If I put it here 5, it will be 5. If I put here thousands, then thousands come here. The same amount we put in the cubic centimeter and milliliter. So I write it here, because if I need the cubic centimeter, the same amount is conversion used here, and it's the same amount conversion for the milliliter. And if I want to convert the liters into cubic centimeter, then I again multiply it 1000. And now if I want to convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter, then I multiply our things with 1 million centimeter. Meters convert 1 million cubic centimeter into this. And if I need the reversal, cubic centimeter convert in the liter, I just divide the things with 1000. And if liter into meter, cubic meter, then also division of 1000. And if I need to this milliliter or cubic centimeter convert into cubic meter, then we divide it with 1 million. So now we do some exercise for this. Question number 1, exercise 14a, express each of the following in cubic centimeter. Now we need cubic centimeter to change into cubic meters. So cubic meter we change into the centimeter, we need our answer in cubic centimeter. We know, we write this one is here 1. If I write the unit of this here, then we find it easily the conversion cubic centimeter. If I multiply 4 with this, 4 ones are 4, so we need this question 4 meter, what cubic centimeter? We just multiply 4 into this 1 million cubic centimeter, and we get 4 cubic meter is equal to 4 million cubic centimeter, and we say it cubic centimeter. And in the same way 0.5 cubic meter, we write the formula first. and multiply both sides with the same number 0.5 which we need in our question, and cubic meter conversion into cubic centimeter. So just 0.5 multiplied by 1 million cubic centimeter. So when we multiply it, this point goes and 10 comes, and so when we multiply with this calculator or divided by 10, we get it 500,000 cubic centimeter. Now the B part of question number 1, express each of the following in cubic meter. Now our question is cubic meter. Cubic centimeter is converted into cubic meter, and we know cubic centimeter is converted into cubic meter. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 by 1 million cubic meter. So simply, if I need this expression, I just multiply the whole number here and 250,000 divided by 1 million cubic meter. Now I cut these 4 with these 4, and we have 25 by 100 cubic meter, and I get 0.25 cubic meter answer. So this is the unit value of cubic centimeter. In the same way, if I put 67,800 cubic centimeter change into cubic meter is equal to this one, because I put this with this and the same unit amount I put it here. And now we cut 2 zeros with zeros, and now I divide and move the point. When there is a whole number, the point is exist here, so we move the zeros on the very left side. Just like if I have 678 divided by 10,000, so I have 4 zeros and 3 digits. 3 digits comes here and 1 zero as it is, because point move on the very left side of the 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 0.0678 cubic meter. Question number 2, express 2560 cubic centimeter in cubic meter, and second part is in liters. In cubic meter, now we see our web, and here the cubic centimeter, when we convert into cubic meter, we basically divide it with 1 million. So simply we divide the given number, because 2560 cubic centimeter is equal to 2560 divided by 1 million. Cubic meter, because centimeter when we convert into cubic meter, cubic centimeter when convert into cubic meter, it will be divided by 10,000, 1 million. So we cut this 0 0 and 1 2 3 1 2 3 come 0.00256, because 256, reason is this, we have 1 2 3 4 5, we move our point from here 1 2 3 4 5, and we put 0 point here 1 2 3, we put 0 for here and 0 for here, and in this way we do our division of thousand, hundred and tens. And in liters, in the same, we convert cubic centimeter into liter, we just need to divide it by 1000. So we have the amount of 2560 divided by just 1000, we write it and change its unit. Now I divided this and we get 2. After 2 point we get our point here, and in this way we have 2.56 liter in our answer. Thank you.